Okay, install MS Office 2007. Here first of all you go to setup, type is your application. You see, type is application, type should be application. Open that one, run, then yes. Okay, so here it asks you the key, so CD key is there. Okay, this contain 25 character, or serial key also here, serial key, this also contain 25 characters. Anyone from here, copy and go to setup, paste here, then continue, then accept the license terms and agreement, continue, install now. So this will take time. This is finished, so you can close. Okay, close. Then go here to start, go here to all apps, and here select on M, that will be Microsoft Office. Is that Microsoft Office? It's not there, so here you can type MI, Microsoft Office. You can type here MI, that is stand for Microsoft Office. So here are the MS Word. Right click here and click on open file location. So which one you want to show on a desktop, like MS Word? Okay, you can select, press the control button, MS Word, then PowerPoint, then Excel, then right click and send to desktop with shortcut. So here is your shortcut. Is it? You have seen this one? So here, suppose now for the first time when you open this thing, it will ask you to activate or to check for updates here. If it asks you, okay, if it asks you for, see like here, Microsoft Online or connect internet not required, you go to next. If you no need to update this one, I don't want to use update, okay, it's finished. The next time when you open again, it will not ask you anymore. Clear? So that is how you install MS Office 2000.